Hello, Sudoku friends, welcome back. Yes, welcome back, guys. Welcome back with the additional in the yesterday's edition. Yes, Saturday, January the 21st, 2023. In this Sunday additional, I've already solved one puzzle. Well, I made a big mistake here in this column. Yeah, 369. Well, um. 379. I overlooked this 7. So made a mistake here. Put the 7 there. And I've already have a 7. Anyway, 3 puzzles to go. The binary, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the Sudoku with 4 stars. And this will be number 5833. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has one less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. All right, 4 ones. We have here 2 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours, 2 fives, 4 sixes. All right. 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 9. So the 1s and the 6 are in majority. Can I start with 1? Yes. The 1 in the 3rd row. The 1 in the 1st row. So the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 1. 1 1. We have a 1. Oh, 1 2 3 4. Yeah. 1 in the 3rd column. 1 in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. Insufficient information. Yeah. Need more information. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 7. We have 8 and a 7 in this row. So no 8 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 7, 8 and 7. We have 8 in the 1st column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, 4 and a 9. 4, 4, 9, 9. Okay. 7, 7. 8, 8, 8. Okay. So now 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. Here, 4 in the last row. No 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. Let me mark those. 3 and the 7. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. A 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the 2nd row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. All right. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the 1st column. One of the missing number in the 1st column is number 4. Here can be a 4 because we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. Here can be a 4 because we have a 4 in that row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this column should be there. Alright. Okay. So 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, okay. But the 5. Well, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Okay. Alright. Need to think. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 5. 6. And the 7. 7, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 and the 7. We have a 7 now in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7, 7, okay. 7. 3. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, okay. Ooh, need to think. Yeah. 8, 8, 8, 8. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the last column, in the third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2, 2, 2. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Need a 5 there. Well. 2, 2. 5, 5. 8, 8. And 3, 3. Okay. Yeah, need to think. 7. 7, 2, 1, 5, 1, 4, and the 6, 4, 4, 4. Ay. Yeah. Need to think. 2, 2, 2. Yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and 3 in these 2 boxes. We have also 2 and 3 in the third row, so no 2 and 3 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 2 and 3. Goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in that row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this column should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, you have 6 and 9 in this column, so no 6 and 9 in this box. The 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Oh, 8, 8, 8. 6 and then 9. Okay. Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, and a 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, here 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have 1 here, so this box can be 1. So the only 2 boxes left are the 2 and the 3. And now we have a pair here, 2 and a 3. Okay. So here should be the 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then 6 and then 9. Okay, 9 and a 4. How about these 4 missing numbers? One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this row. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. Well, we have a 1 in this column, middle column, so no 1 there. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So 2 missing numbers here. Here we have 1, the 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8. The 8 we have here, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. Well, cannot fill this yet, but this should be 6 or a 9. Oh, well, we have a 9 here. So this box should be a 6. 1 is missing. The 9 is missing. The 8 is missing. We have an 8 here. So 1 digit left should be the 6 then. 1, 6, 9, 8. Can it be a 1? Can it be an 8? Can it be a 9? Yeah, 6. Okay. So the 9 should be here then. 9 could be everywhere. Yeah, let me mark those. 189, 189. Okay, here we have 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6 are missing in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. Yeah, 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. So 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 and 4, the 5, the 6, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. This box is reserved for the 2 or a 3. Here we also 2 and a 3. So 3 numbers left, the 8, 9, and the 2 is missing. No, 2 and a 3 we have here. 8, 9, and 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Can I count the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 2, number 7. It's still 1 and a 6. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. No. And a 6. 6. Here I need a 6. 6, 6. And there I need a 6. 6. Oh, 6, 6. Yeah, 6, 6. All right. 9, 4, 3. 3, 4, 9. 9, 3. All right. Then 6, 9, and 8. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So no row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. So now 2 numbers remain. The 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. Okay, 1 and the 9. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Okay. 5, 7. How about the 6? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the middle row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 and 9, we have a 6 now. In the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 and a 4, we have a 9 now in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the first column. 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. I've marked this box with 2 or a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be a 3 and more. This box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, so the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well. 4 stars? Well, no. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.